Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in your iPhone. If you don't understand the language that is currently you using and you want to change the language of your iPhone, like everything setting and all the data of your iPhone will be changed into that language. So this video is for you. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to your setting, mobile phone setting. After going there, here is all the procedure you have to done from here, and the language will be changed. So first of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. So let's start the video. Also don't forget to like the video. So now what you have to go, to your setting and scroll down. Here you can see on a screen there's a lot of options appear on your screen, but what you have to do is press on journal. You can see on the top bar you have to press on journal. Then after that you have to scroll down to the setting where your procedure is in. So basically you know that all the mobile phones are already selected in English language, but if you don't understand English and you want to go to the other language, you can easily go from there. So now what you have to do, you have to scroll down, go to in journal, go to setting, go to journal, then you have to scroll down. Here on a screen you can see language and region. Here you have to first of all set your region, and then you have to go set your language. You can see on a screen I have selected English language, but add a language, there's an option you can add another language. You have to press on add another language. You can see on a screen there's a lot of all the languages in the world there appear on your screen, on your page. So you can see there's a lot of regions of English language, like different countries had different English language accent. So you can see there's a lot of language. I'm scrolling down. So what is your language? What you have to do is to press on the language that you understand. After that, you have to select these language from here. After selecting that, you have to select that you want to use this language instead of other language, so your phone language will be set. So this is the procedure how you can change your language.